I just noticed I have kind of this Hall of Mirrors thing going on back there. But that's fine. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Alteration Nation. This is a show where I take items that I already have in my closet and change them up a little bit just so that they fit and suit me better. Kind of like a thrift flip, only I don't have to buy the clothes because I have a lot of clothes already. Anyways, today we are going to be taking this super cute skater dress that my sister gave me several years ago as a hand-me-down. And I like the skater dress style, but not really a look anymore. However, I do think the skirt could function very well by itself. I'm going to show you what it looks like and talk a little bit about what we're going to change. This here is the dress. It's black and it has sort of this tannish, baroque-y theme all over it. I like it a lot, but it is just sort of tight in the top, and Evie decided it was time for a change. And since she is a fashion expert, I decided to go with her advice. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So the first thing to do was mark out my waistband. I wanted my waistband to be 2 inches, so I made a mark from the waist that was 4 inches high. This is because I'm going to be folding over the fabric and sewing it down, so the part that you see is going to be 2 inches, but the total is going to be 4 inches. The sides of the dress kind of angle out to make room for the bust. This is a stretch fabric. There's like no darts, no anything in this dress, so it really is just stretchy enough to fit over. After I marked that 4 inches all the way, I cut with my scissors to separate the top part of the dress from the skirt. This is what we have left of the dress. I was going to keep it and maybe try and do like some sort of crop top, but it is very small. So I think that idea is not sticking around. Anyways, now I just pinned all around the waistband to the part where the top of the dress connected to the waist, and I'm going to zigzag over the top of that. Because the top of the dress did angle out and wasn't exactly straight, this did take some significant woodgeeing. That is the technical term. However, it came together pretty easy later on. All I had to do was stitch that top layer down, and since it is a stretch fabric, I wasn't really worried about it fraying at all. And then we just go in with the iron and press it so that it has a nice crease. This really isn't even necessary per se, but I just like to iron everything if I can. I think it makes everything look a little better. Oh, there I steamed out my camera, but it turned out okay, and I was able to just keep on pressing. It was not a pressing issue. Oh, I also found these funny little belt loops on the side that I didn't remember were there. I don't think I'll use them, but at least I know that they exist. So let's get to the reveal. I really like this skirt and can't wait to pair it with different tops and cardigans in my wardrobe, and I hope you really enjoyed watching me put it together. This is a really easy fix, and if you try it for yourself, I would just love to see. Send me a link on Instagram, which I have down below in the description. I think that's all I've got for today. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. remember to be brave and do your best. All right, thanks so much. Bye.